Yeah, and then when I'm like scraping, you know, and so this is going to make a dramatic difference, just that alone.
Yeah, I don't think you're going to scrape on anything. So yeah, we'll go left, and then when you pull out, when we go down to the stop sign, we'll make it right. So right here, even you just like hook. And if you want to go, plenty of room, huh?
Until this semi comes. Come on, buddy. So you wanting me to go first?
Go right, yeah. So if you can, we're gonna go left at this first street right here. It's a nice little transition. You should be able to, you can keep your speed.
Ooh. Yeah, it feels good. I drive like a maniac.
Well, that's what I want.
Normally,
yeah. So,
normally the microwave's falling out. I mean, not just the plate in the microwave.
So keep going straight, and then right after this Jeep, you can make a right into this driveway.
Okay.
So it's just another, right-hand turn, off camber. And the biggest thing too is like, so it gets, but you see how we didn't sway at all.
Yeah.
We came right back to center, ready for you to, so go, we're gonna do a fast U-turn here, as fast as you want.
You don't want me to go as fast as I want.
And then we'll go, just go out of, we'll make a right turn out of the driveway.
All right. Horsepower I'm gonna look at taking care of this thing being detuned, you know?
Yeah, so I've looked into that quite a bit about the differences. Go left, and then we're gonna make our first quick right on that street.
Okay. Yeah, and then I'm sure you have found this out, that they're governed at 76. Will not go faster than 76.
Go right. Now I'm curious if I swear I've gone faster than 76.
They got some governor on them.
Interesting.
Yeah, so
now I want to try it.
Find out to get rid of that thing too. Of course, this thing is gonna be. You'll say 76 probably, but I'll be doing 80.
Yes, correct.
Something probably. Which, I don't need to be going that fast anyways. Need anything at depot?
Yeah, I know, right? It's always, there's never anything you can't ever go in there and just get one thing, It's like Costco.
Yeah. So
we'll go left here at this. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, well, I can tell you this, it's a dramatic difference, so
just on the little bumpity.
I'm very impressed.
And then I know you don't want to rock her too much, but you can even just like imagine swerving, like you'll feel like the, just it coming, it'll come back.
Yeah.
Again, the return to center is the big. We'll go up to this light if you want. We can go on the freeway. Up to you. Otherwise, we're going to go left at the light when we get up here.
Okay. And
you'll stay in the left lane. There's a pretty crappy section of road that is just fun to drive through.
All right.
Yeah, I mean, 70 miles an hour on the highway was good. So yeah, you'll have some fun trying it out.
left here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna start heading back to AZ
I don't
as
blame
soon
you.
as we leave you. I don't know how far we'll get into Arizona.
At least to Yuma.
Yeah, we're shooting for a casino that we go to a lot of times.
In Yuma?
Weekapaw, it's called. It's a little bit past Phoenix.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's a ways away.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Yeah, I like usually like Yuma is always my first stop. You know, get cheap gas.
Yeah.
And
yeah, that's where we fueled up at last time. And I figured, you know, we can get back to Yuma.
right.
Fill up again. Here it's $7 everywhere for diesel.
Silly.
So, you doing okay back there, babe? You got your seatbelt on? Yeah.
Uh-huh. Sure. Yeah.
You don't want to be on camera.
We got to hear how much you like it, you know? I mean, if you don't like it, then it's all just pointless, you know?
I love it. I love the look of it.
You know, well, so does my wife. So my wife came in and saw your motorhome and was like, I want that one instead. I'm like, oh, of course you do. Of course you want something that's even more expensive. She's like, I just love the all black with the black wheels, everything. So, yeah.
Does it matter which lane?
Left lane, yeah. So you'll see it up here, the road, like just see just the junk in the road.
Oh, yeah.
So. And it seems like okay, but when you drive through it stock, and just you really like, oh my gosh, and you're like, oh geez. So, I mean, definitely having these 37-inch tires, you could pretty much run over anything. But
yeah, no, it feels real good. We drive up on the 40 and stuff a lot, you know, living up where we do, and a lot of truckers, a lot of potholes.
Yeah.
So I was always like,
yeah.
now I'm just gonna be like,
Well, that is the goal.
yeah.
And now, where do you like to camp? Like, you guys are more like to go off grid.
Yeah, we'll go out into the forest most of the time, but
And go left at this next light.
We like desert too. We have 40 acres that we go to quite a bit in Ocotillo Wells,
Okay. Yeah.
and it's like right in the park,
Okay.
pretty much. There's a hill with a cross on it. I don't know if you've ever been out there and seen that, but we'll go out there. We got, you know, side by sides, and we always had motorcycle, all that stuff when the kids were younger, you know. So going out to the desert was something we used to do all the time in the winter, and then with the boat and all, we would do Weldtec, huh? They copying you there?
No, they've been around for a long time. They do aerospace stuff. They build they build big old rocket engines.
They're making the big bucks. Huh?
Yeah, silly money.
Yeah.
So we'll get in the right lane.
Okay.
So basically, we just went and did a big old circle.
So desert and mountains, but like going into RV parks, we don't do that. You know?
Yeah.
I mean, we have, like, we stayed at one just around the corner from you the night before we came in.
Okay.
So, but with all the solar that we got up here now.
Then we'll go right here.
Hang on, babe.
Just having fun making these turns now. But even like this driveway, like coming into our driveway, you'll feel like that's where a lot of times I feel where it's just like so.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, not anymore. We'll just pull it up straight, block the driveway, we'll go in. We need to get your spare tire right here. Where's your truck? We'll throw it in the truck.
You want me to back in right here?
It doesn't, whatever you want.
All right. I don't think we got too much traffic coming through here right now, right? This good?
Yeah.
I could definitely back it in right there.
No.